It was morning. Little chicks were running around.
Catch me if you can!
Oh, you little rascal! We're coming for you!
Let's race!
Slowly, my little stars.
Hey, I'm not a playground.
Everyone started laughing. Suddenly, a chick staggered.
Careful, little one. Naughty is good, but being together is the most important thing.
Even in small mischiefs, family love is hidden.